a pleasant day. So all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. 7. No sound from the speakers. You play music but there's total silence. This is caused by missed software settings or disabled audio services. To troubleshoot, insert the Windows Audio Service in the System Services menu. The solution is to reinstall the official audio drivers. Safety reminder, don't test the sound at yung maximum volume to protect your hearing. Minsan, ang katahimikan ang pinakamalakas na sagot. Kapag tinigilan ka niyang kausapin, hayaan mo ang katahimikan iyon na ihatid ka sa mas tamang tao. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there's always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guided, and stay connected. Goodbye.